I was paying $60 every month across ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini separately. I switched everything to one place. Merlin AI normally costs $19 a month, but at the end of this video, I'm giving away an exclusive 75% discount that brings it down to just $5. So make sure you stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. If you're currently using multiple AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, you already know how expensive and messy it gets. So instead of paying for each of them separately, I decided to test something inside my real workflow. Every morning, I had 5 tabs open, 5 different logins, and still did not have everything in one place. That was me until I switched to Merlin AI. And before I show you that, Merlin AI is currently offering an exclusive 75% discount for my audience, which you can only get through this video. Merlin AI normally costs $19 a month, and I'll show you exactly how to claim the discount at the end. Over 2 million people are already using Merlin AI every single week, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why. Now, here's the interesting part. Instead of switching between different tools, I'm using Merlin AI, an all-in-one system that gives you access to all the major models in one place. Right now, for example, I'm working on a video idea. Normally, I would open multiple tabs, do research, write, and fact check, but here, everything happens inside one workflow. First, I create a project, basically a smart workspace. I add a few real links, a long article, even a PDF, and instead of going through everything manually, I just ask, from all these sources, give me 3 strong video ideas. What's interesting is that the output isn't generic. It's directly based on the exact sources I added, and it even suggests content angles. Now from here, I take it one step further. I ask, give me a complete script structure for this idea. And this is where things get powerful. I can switch between models instantly. For example, I use ChatGPT for brainstorming, then switch to Claude to rewrite everything in a deeper, more structured way. There's no copying, no switching tabs, and everything stays inside the same workflow. And if I want to go even deeper, I use deep research. Something like analyze the AI video tools market in 2026 and give me key trends. Here, Merlin AI doesn't just answer, it scans multiple sources, builds a structured analysis, and delivers a full report with insights and data. I can even turn that directly into a video concept, again, without leaving the workflow. And it's not limited to text. You can generate videos and images using models like Veo, Kling, and Ideogram, all inside the same system. On top of that, you can chat with web pages, search academic papers, and even pull insights from Reddit discussions. And the key point is this: I can switch models anytime. ChatGPT for writing, Claude for deeper reasoning, Gemini for research, Grok for lighter content. Everything stays inside one environment with no extra tabs and no separate subscriptions. Now let's talk about cost. If you were paying for these tools individually, ChatGPT is $20 a month, Claude is $20 a month, and Gemini is $20 a month. That's over $60 every month. But with Merlin AI, which normally costs $19 a month, after the exclusive 75% discount, it comes down to just $5 a month for all of them combined. And here's why. Merlin AI buys API access in bulk directly from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, and passes that savings straight to you. Same models, fraction of the cost. Now let me quickly show you how to get the discount. Go to the pricing page, click Buy Now, and you'll be taken to the Stripe checkout, enter the promo code, and you'll see the final price drop to around $60 per year. That's basically the cost of 2 to 3 months of a single AI tool. Just keep in mind, this discount may be removed soon, so if you want to try it, it's better to act early. And that's exactly why I wanted to test this, because this isn't just another AI tool. It can replace multiple tools and simplify your entire workflow. If you're already using AI in your work, this is one of the simplest ways to make things faster and reduce your costs. I've added the pricing page link in the description and pinned the promo code in the first comment so you can try it yourself. And that's it for this one. If you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm testing tools like this every week to see what actually works and what doesn't. Every month you stay on separate subscriptions, that's $60 gone. The link is in the description, the promo code is in the first comment. $5 a month. Every major AI model. No reason not to. Go lock it in.